Today we are going to go over how to measure the volume of your penis. So we're going to start off, you should already have this prepped before this tutorial, but basically you're going to want to know the length of your penis measured from the top. You're going to want to know that, and the main part you're going to want to know about that is actually just these two parts. This actually the length of the head versus the length of the shaft. So we'll just say for this video, the shaft is 3, the head is 0.5 inches. And so yeah, the reason we're doing it separately is because that makes it easier later on to get the volumes and then just add them together. So for this video, the variables we're going to need, we're going to need the circumference, the length, and the radius are the most important parts, and actually the area too. So to get the circumference, what I want you to do is take your erect penis, take a string and wrap it around the penis like so, and then the point where they connect, mark the point on the string where they connect, and then unwrap the string from your penis, put it next to a ruler, and see how long that the string is up until the point where they connected. So for this, we'll just say C is equal to 4 inches. So we've got a bit of a chode going on, but anyways, so with the length, this is all for the shaft. We'll just start with the shaft. So the length is 3, the circumference is 4, and the radius is, well, we'll find that out right now. So basically, to find the radius, what we're going to do is we're going to take the equation to find circumference and then just do it reverse. So the radius, or the equation for circumference is 2 pi r equals c. So to get our radius out of that, we're going to just divide this by 2 pi so that this cancels out. So when we do that, we're going to have 4 divided by 2 pi. Let's see. 4 over 2 pi. What the hell is wrong with this calculator? Sorry, hold on. And I'll just look it up on my computer. So 4 over 2 pi. We get 0.6366197. So we'll just say 637 is our radius. Perfect. So we got that. And now to find the area of a circle, or of a circle, is A is equal to pi r squared. So in order to do that, we're just going to do pi times 0.637 squared. And make sure when you're typing this into the calculator or wherever you're doing it, you put a parentheses around the circumference and the squared. So just to make sure you're not squaring the whole thing, just the circumference. So let's see. Once you do that, let's see what you get. So for this, our area is 1.275 inches squared. So, and these are all in inches as well. So with this information, what we're going to do next is I'm going to explain why, I'm going to explain how to basically make this so that you can use geometry to find the volume. So what you're going to do is the penis is split. The reason we split it into 2 parts is 1. So for the head, we're going to use a cone as a geometric shape to measure the area for it. A cone with height 0.5 and radius of 0.637. And then for the shaft, we're just going to take a cylinder a cylinder with the height of 3 and then the radius of 0.637. So we're going to start off by finding the volume of a cylinder. And the volume of a cylinder, hold on, let me get rid of all this down here. The volume of a cylinder is equal to pi, I almost typed it out. Okay, so pi times r squared times h for height. So for us, that looks like this. So pi times 0.637 squared times 3 for the shaft. So throw that into our calculator. So I'll just do that times that. Sorry, 3, 1 point, so for 1.217. So with that, our volume of our shaft is going to be the volume of our shaft is going to be equal to 3.823 inches cubed. All right, and so yeah, V is going to be volume of shaft, and then I'll just make like B, we'll say B is volume of head. So to find the volume of the head, it's a bit trickier because it is a circular cone. So in order to do that, we're going, the equation, it's actually, I can keep this. So the equation is this exact same thing, except first you multiply it by 1/3. So let's do the exact same equation we just did. So pi times 0.637 squared, and then that number times 0.5 this time, and then that number times 1/3. So with this one, we end up with a area or a volume of 0.212 inches cubed. From here, it's really easy to find the total volume. You just do V plus B equals the total volume. So for us, it's 3.823 plus 0.212 is equal to we have a penis with a grand total of 4.035 cubic inches. Nice. So, whoops. That is going to be your number for your volume, because when you connect, basically what you're doing is you're putting this on top of that, which creates this shape, this general shape. And I guess a possible thing to do, because penises aren't that pointy, I can do this some other time, maybe in a video, but you just find this, like an area like this big, and then cut that off, because the penis head is closer to a shape like that rather than a real cone. But for now, that's what we're going to leave it at. So yeah, that's how you do. Find the circumference, the length, the radius, the area, all that. You do all these equations, and you end up with the volume of your penis. Yeah, if you guys like the video, let me know. Put in a lot of effort for this one. Just did all the equations and the measuring last night for myself. I'm super glad how it turned out. Yeah, that's all. Bye-bye.